Alright, here's going to be some video of Oliver playing fetch. Here's his little... Okay, ready? Go get it! There he goes. Come on, Oliver, bring it back. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, now you have to let go. Let go. Let go. Let go, Oliver. Let go. Come on. Let go. Let go. Let go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, ready? Go get it. Come on, bring it back. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, ready? Let go. Oh, that was good. Ready? Want to go get it again? Go get it. Here he comes. Good boy. Oh, here's birdies outside. Are those birdies out there? Want to go get it? Ready? 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 Go get it. Here he goes. Retriever. What is that noise, he's wondering? Come on, bring it back. Come on. Good boy. Good, Oliver. Okay, let go. Let go. Look at that face. Come on, let go. Teeth get stuck. Let go. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Ready? Last time. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. He just likes to flop around. Well, on to the next toy. How about this? Ready? Go get it. Nope. It just flops around. Oh, he wants to grab the cord. Oh, he's biting. Oh. Oh, he's biting. How about dragon? Get the dragon? Get the dragon? Okay, let go. Let go. No. Come on, let go. Let go. Oliver. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. That's Oliver. Fetching. Oh, God. Come here. Come here. Now he's got the hiccups.